Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Android device to WIKO Y60. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now you need to open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download to continue. So now we can open it and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to go with Send on an Android and Receive on WIKO. After that, tap on all of those dots and click Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will tap on this one photo, click Send and tap Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on WIKO, choose Allow and point your camera at the code. But my camera is not working properly, so I will just input this code real quick. Okay, and tap Receive. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. But if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files. Oh, something went wrong. Okay. Select Browse in the middle. Tap on, in my case, Images. And click on Send Anywhere section over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!